Okay, so this is an unboxing of Flo Mask Pro from Flo Mask, made for adults. Just got this in the mail, so let's check this out. This is the priority shipping, obviously. So it got here in 2 days. They got it out right away. And so what we've got here, so this is the sub-micron replacement filter 50 pack that I bought. Got some instructions on the back. Packing slip and the Flo Mask Pro. Here's your packaging. And let's start with the filters, because you got to save the money shot for the end. And individually wrapped, looking good. These are the Pro filters. So this is something that's new. I don't remember seeing this before. I remember seeing this labeling before I did, not this new, this side out. So I guess that's new. So looks good, nice, and this is actually a little nicer packaging than the Flo Mask filters come with. And now to the Flo Mask Pro itself. You open up, you get a quick start guide. With some instructions. How to clean your mask, how to install your filter. And condensation filter or sponge. The mask itself, which is all nice and vacuum sealed and shrink wrapped. Very light. Was not expecting it to be so light. Cool. And then more filters. We got a bunch of Pro filters, and we got a bunch of the everyday filters as well. These do have an expiration date on them, which is kind of important, but I mean, realistically, these are good till like 2027 sealed, so yeah, so that's it. That's well, I guess I should pop this thing open and I don't want to touch it. I did sanitize my hands beforehand, but I used it before to wash them, but I'm sure everybody's curious. So here's the storage bag. This reminds me of this material, just to kind of articulate what it feels like. It's like the nice sunglass pouches that you get, you know, that kind of silky material. Gets the job done, nice, you know, drawstring. And you've got your Flo mask and the straps, which feel like these are actually similar to like the straps that the Dentec use for their Comfort Air masks, but a little bit nicer, obviously, because it's got like this nice back piece, more put together, higher quality, but this strap material, it's actually pretty similar. Initial impressions, very professional. It looks good. I'm excited about the 2 contact points, which is why I bought this. Having owned an Andro mask, it only has the 1 attachment point. And there are situations where you turn your head and you could break the seal here or here. This is really nice. So there you have it. That is the Flo Mask Pro.